In this video, I will demonstrate how to resolve the Apex Legends No Server Found error. Let's begin with our initial solution, which involves checking your internet connection. Open your web browser and perform a speed test to ensure your internet connection is stable. If it's not, try restarting your router by turning it off for 10 to 12 seconds and then turning it back on. If the issue persists, proceed to our second solution, which is restarting the game and checking the server's status. Visit EA's server status on Twitter to see if there are ongoing server issues. If so, wait for EA to resolve them. Additionally, ensure that no related processes are running in your task manager. If the issue persists, proceed to our third solution, which involves disabling your VPN or proxy. In Windows, go to VPN settings and ensure that these options are disabled. If you use third-party VPN software, turn it off and check for a resolution. If none of these steps work, our final solution is to verify the game files or update the game. In Steam, right-click on Apex Legends in your library, go to Properties. Then navigate to Local Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.